Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to present a residential design of 2000 square feet plot area. The ground floor and the first floor plan is designed purely according to the modern architecture. Govindam, a two-story luxurious residence, 6 bedrooms and other amenities. This contemporary facade is designed with the use of terracotta tiles and other architectural elements. This vivid nameplate looks delightful with greenery around it. These clay tiles smells like our grandfather's old traditional house. Garage with enough parking space. The carport reach out to the greenery around the pedestrian entry, steps up to reach to the formal living. This is the modern living room of our house, which has some interior vegetation and a slab cutout up to terrace level for outstanding ventilation and sufficient lighting. A small area attached to it given for family lobby or sitting purpose. Wall-hanged frames and a small plant gives a soothing experience and provides stress-free environment. In the center of the plan, a wooden dining section with highlighting ceiling lamp enhances the aesthetics of our dining area. Now way to fully furnished kitchen accommodating a combination of shiny grey and yellow laminates with extra storage capacity and other electrical appliances installed. Eight-feet wide kitchen slab with glass chimney for multi-cooking purposes. Attached to it, a tiny washing area with store. Heading towards the first bedroom, which can be used for guests or grandparents. Color combination is kept regular with gracious lighting sources. Puja room is prepared between sitting and master bedroom to give a zestful start of your day. Plantation and lighting makes this a beautiful place. Ground floor further opens to the backside garden, a mini gallery to posterior lawn, which helps the two rooms in getting excellent sunlight, along with a miniature sitting and a glass aluminium door. It is covered with iron grille for safety and security. We can use this area for further landscaping and washing purposes. Master bedroom with wooden ceiling and concrete walls is planned with best color contrast and looking towards the backyard garden. Substantial wardrobe and a study table. Attached water closet with glass wall partition. separate common water closet in the left for the whole family. Here's the second bedroom, and just look for its art conscious design. Also have a common water closet in the left. Bellying up towards the first floor, the stairs are wooden finished and granite on tread. The first floor is carrying 3 rooms, an office and a chill out area. We have made an office area with a wall art and marvelous sunlight. Forefront planned for kids' bedroom or study area. With pleasing colorful laminates on the wardrobe and study table. An alternate for terrace garden in some unique design packed with terracotta tiles and assist to a fresh and a charming start. One more bedroom in the vicinity of office with fine woodwork to enhance the beauty, and 2 have attached water closet. Attached water closet with glass wall partition. As we head towards the final bedroom with attached toilet. Backyard exit from the first floor celebrates the space with some more plants. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more amazing content. Thank you.